Hi Ray, I'm in Mapbox Studio, and the map is not quite exactly the way I'd like, and while I would like to just play around with these settings and get it the way that I want, unfortunately Mapbox has placed a lot of restrictions on the zoom visibility of certain elements. So this Palm Valley campground, for instance, if I'm at zoom level 17.97. If I zoom out from there, you'll see that the Palm Valley will disappear at the 16.97 level. Now this is a very zoomed in level, and campgrounds are something that I would like to see at a much lower zoom level, probably more at about about the 14 level, somewhere there, 14, 15. So I'll just zoom back in. I'd just like you to check out for me. What I would like you to check out applies to a lot of things on the map, but I don't know if it's going to be possible to change these visibilities. I'll send you some documentation that talks about how. Oh, let me just show you. So if I click on Palm Valley Campground, the POI, point of interest, parks, scale rank 4, that's the actual piece of information that toggles the campground. Now if I go into select data, there's this zoom extent. Now I've played around with this. I think the default was 15, so zoom 15 to zoom 22. The problem is that changing this zoom extent has no effect. There's the Mapbox team have decided that we shouldn't be able to control these types of elements. All they want us to control is colors and things like that. They don't want us mucking around with this zoom extent. And I'll send you to a page that talks about how to go about changing the zoom extent, and it's very complicated in that you'd need to use various different programs, load them onto your computer. This would be part of a tile set. Bring that tile set into some program, then upload that tile set into Mapbox, and then you can tweak it, and it's all very complicated. I'll send you that document. I'm just wondering if with your development skills you would be able to change and reconfigure certain elements on my map without having to go to that trouble. So essentially making this actually work the way that it's meant to, where I can change this setting. Now you would not be able to do that globally, like go in the programming and say activate all the zoom extents so that they all work across this map, because a lot of them, if you go through this list here, will be on 0 in the zoom extent here, but they will only appear, say, from 16 to 22 on the map. So these really have not, the settings really just don't apply, and a lot of them could be 0. So to globally change the zoom extent for all of the items, they would all turn on at all levels, which would not be any good. So it really needs to be specific to, for instance, this one, the POI Parks scale rank 4. So where am I at? So what I will do, I'll just click on style to get out of that so it's not in the grey. So what level are we at? Yeah, 19, it'll appear. I want this Palm Valley, to make it simple, I want this Palm Valley campground to be visible at, let's say, 16, level 16, somewhere there. If that's achievable, there are a lot of tweaks that I would like to make to other elements, but let's just start with one. Now to find this Palm Valley Campground, the map position, I come in and just click there, the map position, there's the longitude and the latitude and the zoom. So I will give you some settings to put into this map position and you will instantly zoom to this level. So that's about it, I think, to hand over to you. You've got the login details, and let me know. I'll also send you the documentation that talks about how to do this the Mapbox way, which I found to be quite complicated. Maybe you wouldn't find it so complicated. But anyway, I'll leave it over to you. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. Cheers, Ray.